Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Inshot and creating a new photo project. Pick your base image and set the canvas ratio to the final output. Once done, import the second photo as an overlay using the sticker or PIP tool, then position it roughly where you want it to appear. Make sure to turn off automatic cropping if needed and set the background color or blur for contrast. This gets both images into the workspace quickly so you can start precise adjustments. Now focus on alignment and blending. Select the overlay layer and use pinch and rotate gestures to match perspective and scale. Then reduce opacity or try available blend modes to preview interactions between images. This shows you which mode produces a natural composite. Once a mode is chosen, use the eraser or mask tool to remove hard edges and reveal underlying details. Feather edges slightly for a smooth join. Make sure to zoom in to refine any visible seams or misaligned features. To finish, apply global color corrections to unify both images. Tweak exposure, contrast, saturation, and temperature so tones match. Once satisfied, export at the highest resolution available and choose PNG for transparency or JPG for smaller files. If edges look unnatural or artifacts appear, reopen the project and refine the mask, soften the feathering, or slightly adjust blend opacity. Alternatively, re-export with a different quality setting. This final pass ensures the double photo.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.